Coffee, or caffeine, the secret sauce of the Industrial Revolution. Today I want to design and prototype something that makes those smoko or coffee runs a little easier. Day 6, the coffee cup tray with quick release handle. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the plan for the coffee cup tray with quick release handle. I'm thinking a bent acrylic piece like this with slots on the top like that, just round holes, so the coffee cup can drop into it. And then I'm going to have a slot in the acrylic at the back of this bend, and this quick release handle is going to come wrap around, go through the slot, and then lock in with this hook here. And then you should be able to just pull the hook this way, drop it down, and then take the handle out whilst leaving the tray there with the coffees. I'm going to cut this now with the laser cutter. I'm going to do the handle out of plywood. I'll quickly cut these with the laser cutter and then I'll show you and we'll start bending this radius. A quick shout out to X-Tool. These legends just gave me a laser cutter, so yeah, so stoked with it. Thank you so much. So this is what we're going for. We've got the coffee cups inside the circle slots. This slot here is going to be in the center of the bend. So by the time this is wrapped around and it'll support the cups, we'll have a slot about 40 mil to slip the handle into, and then it's going to lock back in on this end. The bending's done. Had this mark set up on that one there. May have missed that a little bit, but it's clamped up. I'll wait for this to cool down now. It's bent. So this is the idea. I managed to get the holes pretty good. They pop straight in there and still sit on the bottom while not wriggling around too much, but you'll be able to put different size cups in there as well. So, stoked with that. I'll show you the idea I've got for the hook template. So obviously it's going to go through here and then hook there, and then we'll have a handle here. I've drawn it on the template. I'll quickly show you that before we start cutting it out. Okay, so this point here is going to be the start feeding point. That's going to slip through that slot. So imagine it goes through like that. And once we get to this point here, it's going to lock into this front edge there so we know it's safe, and then the handle is up here. I had to make the handle high enough so you could have the handle on and then still get the coffee cups out without hitting the handle. But the handle will be a quick release, so you'll be able to take it out anyways, but I just covered my bases and made sure I got that right. I'll cut this out now and then we'll stick it onto a piece of ply and route it out. Alright, we're almost there. Just going to give this a pencil round and a sand. I'm going to give it a bit of a paint job, and then we'll take it inside, take the film off of this, and we'll test it out. I've taken the film off. I'm liking the look of it. Just waiting for the handle to dry now. Once we get the handle, then we can test that out. But stoked with how that's coming out so far. It's looking cool. Okay, so this is it. Quick release handle, coffee cups. It's nice and stable. These coffee cups aren't going anywhere. We'll test it out. So coming in, dropping them off, quick release handle. Sweet. Day 6. Coffee cup tray and quick release handle. See you tomorrow for day 7.